Yes, good morning, happy Easter everyone. Good morning, happy Easter everyone. Share the video, matter on the ground. So share the video, you know. Let's talk about the matter on the ground, you know what I'm saying? Share the video. You know? Happy Easter everybody, happy Easter. You know? Share the video, let's talk about the matter on the ground, you know what I'm saying? Good morning everyone. Share the video, let's talk about the matter on the ground, you know? Love somebody. Happy Easter everyone. Let's talk about the matter on the ground, you know what I'm saying? About Diamond, you know? About Shine Osemide and Diamond, you know? Share the video, you know? Good morning everyone, happy Easter, you know? So I woke up this morning and I saw a video that was going on and about my wife and her baby's dad, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to throw a light of what's going on, you know? Every good mom has a right to do whatever she wants, you know? To fight for her child, you know what I'm saying? I didn't say anything wrong what Shine is doing, you know? She's just trying to fight for her daughter, you know what I'm saying? Her house that I'm the one asking Diamond, paying her school fees, feeding her, clothing her, you know what I'm saying? You know? Child is for everybody, you know what I mean? Or more, you know what I'm saying? I don't know the reason why it went to social media. Yes, my wife has right, you know? I'm not blaming anybody, you know what I'm saying? My wife has right as a mom to come out since your child is every good mom has right, you know, to say, oh, this is your dad. This is a life that I live in. We are living in a civilized world, you know what I'm saying? I live a whole day, you know. I see one thing I respect about women. I respect women who fight for their children. I want you to know your dad, you know. I've tried to adopt Diamond for a very long time, you know, but my wife didn't allow me to adopt that child, you know. So I begin to think twice. Now I think now, yes, you know, this woman is a very good woman. Any woman who wants his child to know his dad is a very good woman. I don't see any reason. I woke up this morning, when I begin to see everything on camera or video. I just laughed. Now look, and I settle with social media right now. The mistake have been done, you know. On I more lenira, or more you know. You know. I feed that child, I close her, I pay her school fees. It's not about that one, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to disrespect the dad, you know. Like me, I have children, you know. I have children, you know. And my ex-wives or ex-girlfriend, they are married to other people. I still respect them. I take up my responsibility, you know what I'm saying? But when you think about money, I'm here. I don't run, I don't fear. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to show light of this. Every woman has right, as a mom, to fight. That woman should be a stupid woman. I applaud my wife for that, you know. I'm so happy, you know. That's my about it, but the right of that child. Every child is have to know the mom, know the dad, you know. Okay, life now. What my wife did, she didn't do anything wrong. When people are saying, oh, you don't wanna, that child, I want her to know her dad. I can pay her school fees. Yeah, but okay, it's not about that. I want her to grow up to know her dad. Yes, this is your dad. That is the problem, you know. But every child deserves to know the dad. That's what I'm saying. That is just the truth, you know. Every mom has right to fight to know on one pure mom, you know. They need to come together and change the child, you know. I'm here to look after that child. Feed anybody they get here with the child every month. My money, you know what I'm saying? If this man said, okay, come and take responsibility of your child, that's fine. Why would DNA? You know? On that again, I maybe this time we have DNA. All those talk on talk show doesn't make sense. All these things should use social media. Use social media. Everything will be in record, you know. In that month now, one day, he's going to see all this time. She's going to applaud you, you know. Because the media that is digitalized, you know what I'm saying? You know, my wife is very right, and I supported her. You know, I can pay for that child. Yes, I may be wife. I have a good job. I'm not be my way lazy. This is my house. You know, on the master and I just try to say everything should calm down. You know, I don't want to mention your name. You know, the talk show. You know, I took up my responsibility. He anybody pay child support. I give a loan here. I pay child support. I work to pay child support. You know, every mom has a right to fight for their children, to know their dad. You know what I'm saying? Shine doesn't do anything wrong at all. I give her support 100%. And it's just a matter of understanding. Well, okay. My money, I'm sure I said, well, forget away the local with that. Mature people should be mature people. You know what I'm saying? Let's forget away the local with that. No. This time, you know. Because in life now we have DNA. You know what I mean? There's DNA. You don't have to come and be arguing. This one is married. But she's just trying to do the right thing for her daughter, you know what I'm saying? And she's doing well. There's nothing wrong with her like that way. She's a good woman, you know? You know what I'm saying? Yes. I've tried to adopt that child 3 times, Diamond. I tried to, but the mom said, no. I want this girl to know her dad. You know? I said to the children to her, well, okay, this woman is a very reasonable woman. Tomorrow, I will not be able to have a problem. That means she will want me to see my children too. You know, I was thinking of one again. No more. You know what I'm saying? So I don't really see in Adanta that social I not do this one, that social I not do that one. Not be sure I start to the bone for my way for get children. Not be sure I start them. I just talk for social media. I want to forget all those ones. When a woman came out crying, I want to pay with pass through. All of them come cry. This one. Now let's take people to office sit down and think. Say this one, they don't get child already. Go and forget this matter. Go and go for DNA. Now so tell this one. Everybody, some people are very childish. They don't want to talk into one task like this. You know what I'm saying? I've met to them. I'm saying you want to go digger, you want to go digger. I should go digger. A dad need to know his child. A child need to know his dad. You poor rich. You know what I'm saying? You know, I tell you, you won't be go digger. You know what I'm saying? Well, I bet God's father will take down. You know? Share this video. I want me to go to Apoko instead. I need to share a husband. You know what I'm saying? I don't get wrong. I need to share a husband. I can pay for that child to university. You know what I mean? I can pay for that child to university. You know what I'm saying? A woman, a child come out, fight for a child. They fight for a child. Instead of all women to support her, say yes. You don't know, we men are so deceitful. We are so deceitful. You know, if you want to cheat, we can lie. We can lie. I'm a man myself. If you want to date another woman now, I'm going to lie. You know? Instead of all women to stood up, say, yes, this man don't do anything. Don't need stories again. You know? A lot of us are we are very deceitful. When it comes to women, we are liars. And any man who does not want the child, go and use protection, please. You know what I'm saying? You have right to have side chicks, but I hate abortion, you know. For me, I hate abortion. If I make it in a joy, in a hair, or in a hammer, I'll try to protect that child. Because I hate abortion. For me, I hate abortion. That's why I stay away. You know? That's why I stay away from women. You know? Every decent man should at least to learn what's on the ground, you know what I mean? All this for Facebook, all this one. You must stop, you know. I spoke to my wife just now. Forget about this matter. Let me adopt this child. We have adopted, but I'm still seeing reason with her. You know what I'm saying? You might not be you on a social media, you have one, you know what I mean? Share the video, make a people carry on too, you know? Every woman has the right to fight for for the every woman has a right. Okay, no hear that. Okay, no hear you. It's not a foolish woman who not get up and say, I'm not story of that. No matter the circumstance, you know, soon. You know what I'm saying? So people don't use sense, you know. I was reading comment this morning, listening to everybody's opinion, but I find some people who really make sense. On that, she's happily married. She's under my care, under my custody. I be man. I can look after my wife, call it day and night. I'm capable. In my fair way, but I can stand as a man, you know. Or more, you know, the charge for everybody, you know what I'm saying? Or more, so as this matter big ground, you know what I mean? They should calm down. The man should do the man should be matured. Social media, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make him matured. I just look at it, you know. I'm not trying to disrespect you, but you need to grow up, man. Everybody now, you know what I mean? Why talking too much on social media? What, do you want to bring her name there? It doesn't make sense. But I find love her or love her name. I love my wife so much. She's married. She's under my canopy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my my boy. Let me do that. It's a 200 by 200 boy. 200 by 200 boy. You know what I'm saying? My parents school for some money. Drive for my dear money here. You know what I mean? So all these things should calm down. Everyone should calm down. You know what I'm saying? Let me have man, come back for social media. That will not make you rain. That's just only fooling yourself as a man. I need to tell you, my brother, you know. All my baby mama, if I call you now and they respect them, it's not about the woman, it's about the child. You know? It's not about the woman this time, it's about that child. Man, grow up. When I wake up, grow up. You will have the needful. You know? Go for DNA. The talking. It doesn't make you a great person, you know? The great people don't talk too much, you know? But I watch all of that for my buying matter. Yes, I supported my wife 100%. Because every woman must fight. Every good woman has a right. No more era. Every good woman. You know what I'm saying? So the woman come out, they fool herself. You know, she's not fooling herself. I don't need that one to bring any money. But the third child need to know is that. No, sorry, no. Okay, no money, right? No, I mean, I didn't tell the man to give me any money. If you can't get the responsibility, go for TNA. We know that you are the dad. Then I'll begin to pay school fees. I'll begin to have that girl. I'm going to pay her school fees to university level. I didn't tell you, but that woman is doing the needful. You know what I'm saying? Then I tell you, don't to quarrel, don't to fight, you know? Go and do DNA. You know what I'm saying? Every mature people, we have sense. We need to do wisdom, you know what I mean? So when I go social media, like go digger. Oh, not she started the gun for man we get wife before or whatever. You know, the mistake is already the mistake of someone. As a man, where you sit down and say, okay, since some money I will more good, let's forget all this fight. Let me go and do DNA. Why DNA, you know where all way, then you move ahead. You know, the man won't really go to parent. This man doesn't go away. You know, this man doesn't need money from you. I'm capable of looking after that child. You know, I love money. I love children. You know, if I talk to money on my end, I'm away on money. Make money. Why should I not get the responsibility? You know what I'm saying? Imagine, oh, you have to come on my hand. I'm away my own. The day I married my wife, and then I married that day. Then we are responsible for that child. Before I married my wife, I know say she has a child. And as I married the mom, I married two of them together. You know what I'm saying? I married my wife and that child. But every child deserves to know their dad. No matter what, whether poor or rich. That's what we're fighting for. We don't need to bring money. What's money? I'm capable to look after Diamond. I'm capable to look after Diamond. Trust me. I paid everything in the house. I built them the house. Because money, they are not coming to Nigeria to fight for anything. They are okay here. I don't have any child in Nigeria before. You can't home in Nigeria. You know what I'm saying? My daughter, I want to be near, they are British. They're British, yeah, they can't come home here. They're going to in Nigeria. You know what I mean? This guy can grow up to be somebody tomorrow. You know what I mean? I want more. You know, tomorrow we don't know what this child will turn to. You know, we must be mature. You know, I'm on a jet stone. You know, she can be a jet stone. I'm on a jet now. You know, tomorrow she can be a great woman. You know, we don't want to put this child in that circumstance on my head. It's not about the money. You know what I mean? Come on. My dad just say brain. My dad just say sense. You know. Go and do the needful. Every mother has the right to fight, to cry out. You know? So that no mind any way. No mind over here, right? No mind any way. You know? Since I'm selling an there's not too much talk in social media. I can't come to social media. I can't in my way 5 or 10 years ago. I can't. No. I'm too big for that. I'll take my responsibility. Or something. There's no how we are going to cover these things again. Or you are going to. Let me go and do the needful as a dad, take up my responsibility. And second, you don't really need your money. You know? My money didn't go well, you know. That child, I've tried to adopt that child 3 times. Okay, I want one. Well, that's the whole way. Okay, that's very right. You know? My wife is very right. Everyone has a right. I'm going to go I pay child support. I pay child support. A month take back, I give money, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud of, you know, because I look after my children. You know, I will get the responsibility. You know what I mean? You know I made a mistake in it, but when the mistake is done, I'll take my responsibility. You don't pay me. Don't go outside. Stay in your house with your wife. Don't go out and be choking every woman outside or dating women outside. These are the consequences. Another is you need to grow up and take your responsibility. A mistake in your assuming, you know what I mean? So every man should be responsible. My wife, she done well. She done very well. She done very well. Because okay, the more era. Of one of here anyway, it's not going to change our blood. One of here anyway. My pay school fees, our school fees 40,000 every 3 months. My pay, my feed, I know how much I spend on feeding every month. You have to do money feeding pay. I'm not coming here to rake or need to post my own, you know. Over it's strength free. Emi yaro bani, boho emi yaro, satellite yaro. All the comfort about the life, you know. But what I'm trying to say, you should go and do the needful, you know what I mean? Go for DNA test as a man. On that, after law, 100 years, those are childish talk. Doesn't make sense. Child has already involved. You go and do the needful. Go and do DNA with this child. I will take the responsibility to university level. The man will be going, we don't need your money. But for me as a man, I want that girl to be say, oh, this is my dad. This was my stepdad. I'm the stepdad, everything. She can't be my daughter, but I'm going to contribute to her life. For the sake of respect as a man, you know what I mean? We want that girl to know, but this is my stepdad. That's what we want. When I just sit down, no, oh, when she grew up, oh, maybe not marry or say the mom is doing the right thing. Tomorrow, if you are a refugee, look this video, watch. Maybe my Bible still being record, you know. I go, Macmillan, but your dad didn't take you, but I take the responsibility. You know. Not your man, no, that much is my daughter. Because I'm stepdad. I'm proud of it. And I love that girl so much like my own blood. You know? But that child deserves to know the dad. That's what we were fighting for. You know? The mistake of Sunune. So you get up Trust yourself as a man. And tell social media, it doesn't make you a real man, man. It makes you childish. I'm so happy, you know. Let's go for DNA. Where's the talk? Too many talks. But when you go to look people can have flings. People can go out when they are young, do whatever they. Okay, yeah. She was not married, they don't know. So why you coming to church and pastor? Do I get taught? Since money around, you go and take your responsibility. Go for DNA. You know what I'm saying? Go for DNA. It's not good. Look what's going on social media now. You are here, you are there, you are here, you are there, you are everywhere. That's not a good name. When you feel there to rain, you know. That doesn't make you a man. You know, because I don't want to really measure your name, you know. I need to respect you because you are a man, but do the needful, you know. I advise you to go and do the needful. If you any guy, I don't want $1 from you. I will take that care of that child to university level. You know what I mean? But okay, the one right, that's what we are fighting for. You know, she's my daughter, but not biological, but I'm the dad. If anybody needs the money, you know. I have a child of my own. I don't like money. I like children. I like children so much. I don't play with children. You know? Then I tell you now, blah 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 blah, tell social media have one. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't. You feel you are raining. You are raining. It just me rain we are raining now. You are not making good for yourself. Just watching what is going on social media. You are here. You are there. You are there. You are there. Look what's befalling you. Get up and wake up and be a man. Go for DNA. You know? Go for DNA. Every man has a right. Whatever. You want to wear that. It's not a wrong thing. I'm not bad hero. So I'm not blaming my wife, you know. Because every good mom, okay, or more right, whether by mistake, you know. Maybe I'm also not better, you know what I mean? Just go for DNA, you know what I mean? Oh, a matter like no line authority, you know. The line authority, every child deserves to know their dad, their parents, you know. Stepdad, you know. Likewise, me too. I have a child before. The woman is with another man now. My daughter is well, you know. Now she's remarried. I respect the man. You know. I went to America. I'm so happy. You know. My way to my hero. You know what I mean? It's okay, real life here. We need to respect each other. When a child not involved in it, whether by mistake, any way or whatever, go and do the needful. Go for DNA test. I so much love my wife. A decent woman would like to that's what she's doing. Nobody's going to blame it. It's not a foolish mother. You know what I mean? All those talk. Let the FO. We don't need to talk again. No more. Go and do DNA. Huh? If this man deny your DNA, I don't know where. You know? This man tell come, let's do DNA. 100% the well known. And I'm not made that we know you are the dad. We don't have to be arguing. Me said, we never first see you before. Even with your picture, I don't see for all these commenters. I know that child is your child. Why are you running for your responsibility? You know what I mean? Why are you running? I'm not when you go there. But so when we call hello my pikin or hello my daughter, that's a dad. You must not if you doesn't make property name. Where's property? You think of money here do. Where's property? That child needs his dad. The child no here. Where's property? Property. She don't need your property. I'm not no money out here. You know? Over my problem now, my pay mansion, my pay. In the next 20 years, it's going to fade out. It's going to fade out. Who knows what this child will become tomorrow? Who knows? Property now. Maybe want to property. They want to do this one. They want to do that one. Who knows what this child is going to become tomorrow? They're just saying things that doesn't make sense. So I can respect it, you know. When two people are together, whether fling, whether this, whether that, or whatever, I should respect my people. You know what I'm saying? Like me, I respect my ex. He respecting him. They call me, we are like friends. You know what I mean? All my heads, we are best friends. Come my money. We talk like still talk like family, you know. The best for our daughter, that's what I stand for, you know. So, man made a mistake. When you go hard to another man, try to use condom. Can't live over as a man. I don't support abortion. For me, I don't support abortion. You know, that's why some women are childless today. Because abortion was too much. Unless you know the way they are, you take as a man. Don't talk too much on social media. You go and do the needful. Do whatever. I'll pay for DNA. If you don't have money, I'll pay for that DNA. But you go and do the needful as that, and I'll take the responsibility to university level. I'll change that one to university level. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have money for DNA, call on me. You know what I mean? That's why I'm going to call my wife this morning. Either I will have DNA. Call on me. I will send you money. But that child deserves to know that I deserve. The past have been passed. When you go down there, you don't say get wife. And you also want when the wife started going for person get husband before. Son of the quiver, don't do it. Man, when you to marry two wives, stay for your wife, stay with your wife. You know what I mean? If you're not able to marry two wives, stay with your wife. This one, you are here, you are here, you are here, you are here. That doesn't make sense. If you know you cannot take two wives or get responsibility of child outside, stay with your wife or use condoms. I know women, we are cheaters. Use condoms. When a child is involved like this, we need to respect the mom. Don't bring the mom down. I don't bring my heads down. Never. I still put them high. Top of the children. You know what I mean? And everybody deserves respect, you know. But when your social media is there, we're just talking. That doesn't make sense. It doesn't make you mature. You know what I mean? It doesn't make you a mature man. You know what I'm saying? Share the video, make go meet Aproko too. If you don't have money, every mom has the right. My wife has done a great job. Because, man, my marry I might be I will look my wife as a wayward woman. I'm telling you the truth. I will look at irresponsible. I might be you know, right? It's giving me joy that I will marry you. That's a great woman. I mean, I'm a responsible woman. Every mom that fights up in over here, right? That's a mom. Imagine the boy. Imagine the boy. If you go marry with DNA, when you are telling, I promise I'm going to train Diamond to the university level. Yeah, I pay you. She's my daughter. But we're not pure or not pure more. Okay, no, right? This or that. Yes. But so from it here. It's a great joy, it's a blessing. You know? So I just tried to make a little video this morning. The man not even talk. I'm a decent person, I'm a very quiet person. That's why you see me on live. I'm just a happy man, you know. Very happy. You know, and it's making me strong and healthy. You know. You all know the work about it. Or sad. Or no, I'm not that kind of person. You know what I'm saying? So when me are here now, you go for DNA. I love what my wife did. You know? Nobody's fighting each other. Nobody's fighting each other. Money man, you know? Go for DNA. All I'm way. It's okay. All of the our way as a dad. We phone to have the actual way. So, you know, me as the stepdad, I'll pay a school fees to university level. You know, as a great man, I will house her till she's married. I will house her till she's married. Even bring her to the UK. You know what I'm saying? But we need to do the needful. You know what I'm saying? So all those noise on the social media, it doesn't make sense. Child has already involved. You know, go for DNA test. It's not a foolish woman. They can't be no right. So I support my wife. Oh, no, we can't be no man. No, sorry, no more. You know? Oh, I'm always one. And they're coming in there. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So the mistake is already there. But the child is growing now. Okay, no, right? She's not begging you to go in. You have to there. I'm the dad. straight up, you know. Ogamoji, you know what I'm saying? Ogamoji, Mohase, you know. We don't know what that child will become tomorrow, you know. Well, let's show respect to children, you know. Because I'm not loving money, you know what I'm saying? We don't know what that child will become tomorrow. This argument, I don't know, you know. All children are special. You know what I mean? All children are special. You know? I know where God be special. Say no, it doesn't make sense. A wise man won't think so. A wise man, I think very well. Because don't know what this child will come tomorrow. Because he can fail you. No matter how he can be the great person among those children. You know? We believe God on how men. Now God now get everything. Everything we see today now, future time, everything we're going to do. It's only a foolish man who don't have respect for a child. That does not regard a child. It's only a foolish man that will not take his responsibility as a dad to look after any child that he produced. You know what? You know cheat. When he married, even though now she gets the whole world, I must make sure I take the responsibility of that child. Whether by mistake or something, I don't. In married no. When man leads the way, she's married and the husband. A man leads the way. That one doesn't need your money, but come out as a dad. You know, or need the way as a dad. You know, it's not by your money. And that's why I will feel you go by dad. Hello, my daughter. It's something to a child. It's not about money. Hello, but yeah, to a daughter or to a child far away. It's a blessing to that child. You know what I mean? So I believe where you go. My wife didn't call to bring money. My only go raise my brother. So all those talk for social media, you know. You can't bring that name down. Even though I so much love my wife. I'm not hiding it. I'm not fighting you or I'm not insulting you. I'm not fighting against you. I'm too big for that. You know? All my hairs, we are not getting or that family now we are still best friends. I don't have any grudges against anybody, you know. Because of no chance. I won't do that. I'm too mature for that. You know? All my hairs, they are married to other men today, have children. And I call in at time, hello, yeah, other phone, that's it. That's life. Then I've been not fighting for this child. You know what I'm saying? So go and do the DNA. All those ones they talk, that's why I go Lagos. All those ones you don't 4 years ago, 5 years ago, go for DNA. When we're able to understand this DNA. Because this is going to still be coming up. This is going to be coming up. Just put DNA once and for all where we were. You know what I mean? You know, all those arguments on social media, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. So you do this one. So I love my wife so much, and my wife loves me so much. If my wife didn't fight for that girl, I know my wife, she's an irresponsible woman. Or she's irresponsible. I've tried to adopt that child 3 times. I see that nothing now. This one is a great woman. If you don't fight for her daughter, I will look my wife, she's useless. But what she's doing now is giving me joy as a man. That this woman, she's responsible. You know what I mean? That's just the truth. If a mother cannot fight for a child, no error, that woman should be a useless woman. You know what I'm saying? Am I only going to bring money or bring my brother? All those talk with the talk of social media, it doesn't make any sense. You're a mature man, you know. I know that man tried all her best, or do a family way, or she has tried everything, you know, to make sure we're more money, but nobody, you know. I believe this is the best way to cry out. You know, she has went to your family home because I believe you are the breadwinner in the family, but nobody wants to come out and say, okay, you're waiting here or more or then forget all this talk for social media. You know what I'm saying? You know, you go and do DNA as a man. You know, even if you don't pay for them, I will pay. You know, to university level. You know, but it's good. My wife is what she's doing. She's in the right direction, so that tomorrow that girl can be able to grow up beautifully. Say yes, my mom, you don't well. I saw the fight. for me to know my dad. You know what I mean? Oje family house way. There's no positive result. Oje welfare, there was no positive result. This girl, she's calling me dad now. I'm so happy. But I want you to know you too. You know what I mean? She know me, that girl know me as a dad, doesn't know anyone. On my look over in life again. The first day know me, daddy, you are back, daddy, you are back. Daddy, you are back. You know? That's why I know my wife, she's a responsible woman. Because I know that man, I never saw any man before with child. The first day I came to Nigeria, from that day, that girl people call me daddy. My wife was telling me, oh, so this girl, man, me, I show you, me here. You know what I'm saying? So let the peace reign, you know. I want to get this message. I'm not making a competition with you. You know? Who and do DNA test. Why to go with Amon? I'll be there till our university level. You know what I'm saying? I'll be there. You know, not good at good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah? On I have been now, all those unnecessary fights. We didn't need this. The motive was my lead, you know. We don't know who's going to help each other, you know. I'm not making competition with you. She's not my wife. I'm proud of her. Forget about her story. Everybody has a story. I have a story. You know? Everybody has a story. You know what I'm saying? Forget the story of my wife. Doesn't matter. Now the original owner. You know what I mean? I have a story of my own self too. You know what I mean? Everybody has a story. Or that boy, millions of them. Yeah, that go now. So always you go and do DNA. Be responsible. Be a responsible man. You know. Go and do DNA. Talking too much doesn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? Share the video. Happy to everyone. I'm just trying to issue on the ground. Only ground. You know what I'm saying? About my wife and the baby's dad. You know what I'm saying? So every mom has a right to shout out for the child to know the dad. You know what I'm saying? It's not about who, about faith or both poor and rich. Dad, every child needs to know his dad. Okay, no, right? It's not about money. Where's money? Only a foolish person, don't think money, money you down. Only a foolish person, don't think money. Oh, no, money you. It's not wise enough to leave this world. Because you believe money can buy everything. Money cannot buy everything. You know what I'm saying? Respect, love. It's matters, baby. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of people believe money. What's money? There's not like sense, wisdom. Some people have money, they don't have sense. Yeah, man. It's not about having the whole world. But what's your sense? You bring the way, bro. You know what I mean? So you guys should forget about all this. This one, I said go this one. Everybody has right to live their life. A mistake I don't know. Then we hire things out. I made a mistake in life. Made mistake. Me myself, I made a lot of mistakes. But for a damage I don't know. That's life. I'm not trying to explain to anybody. I want to find my life. Oh, you're going to what does childish? Open me right now. Where? Do come on. Okay, no way anyway. Oh, when I'm so like that, where? Okay, no way anyway. It's not a bad woman. That's a great woman. You know, because every child deserves to know their dad. You know, it's only a foolish woman. If my wife didn't fight this fight, I would look at it responsible. I've tried to adopt this child 3 times my home, not be any man. But the mom will no. But I'm not total, I'm not going away. This woman is a great woman. I'm the one paying the school fees. Or I come in money, go get everything about that child is me. You know what I'm saying? It's time to sit down and reason together, you know. That's a different issue. Once a child evolves, okay, now total, I go a dialogue. You know, I go a dialogue, whether by mistake or by wherever. Or more, or I love children, me myself. I love children. They give me joy, you know. I love children myself, you know. So, what I measure for social media, it doesn't make sense. How can the man have the social media? I want to love, but I comment. If I have a money, You think you are, as a man, you are doing what is right. You are not doing what is right. You are bringing yourself down. Am I no money I can't work with? And everything will be in record. We know how this life will be tomorrow. So we need to respect people, respect children. You know, no matter what, go for DNA. When I watch, I was watching, this morning when I begin to watch all those, what was going on Facebook. They need to say, Uyu talk show. What's his name? Uyeto. I was seeing, it's not what they talk, so. I didn't even know the man. When I was reading, oh, Papa Waila, you know. I said, what? How can a man be talking like this? I don't know. Forget all those things we don't pass. You know what I'm saying? Forget all those things we don't pass. You be man. Stand up to be a man. You know? Stand up to be a man. No matter if you don't there's not too much talking again. Woman, I'm doing with DNA. Call on me. I'm not disrespecting you. You know? I respect people. You know? If you don't have money for DNA, call on me. You know? I'll bring out the money. Oh, yeah, I have DNA. You know? I'm the dad of that child. Likewise you. You know? Then I'm busy or whatever. Shine is happily married now. I'm the person who's taking responsibility of her life. I'm capable of looking after my wife. You do. She won't suffer for life. So I in the UK now. My wife will not suffer. So I go now. Able body man. I'm ready to work for her to live. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to work for my wife to live. Because if me go down, you know what I mean? I'm not get severe. I'm not get severe me. I'm not get severe. Ask people who right from Nigeria. I'm not get tax. Not take severe. I'm not be me. I guess. But my age, I begin to think all this doesn't make sense. All those like I meet different women every day. I sit down and think that way. It doesn't make sense. You know, time to change. That's why I decided to marry my wife. You know, every man should be matured. You know, instead of me to cheat on my wife, I'll marry another wife. Instead of me to have a side chick, I'll marry. Instead of my wife, I want to marry another wife. Instead of me to have a side chick, I won't have a side chick. When I look, I'll sit her down. Well, and I want to marry. I marry with her. I will not have a side chick. Because I've deceived women enough, you know. Time to change, you know. Like women are, they are my gold, my guess, gold to me. I will not like any man to hunt them tomorrow. You know, that's why I was trying to change all those things. Like I don't want to lie to women again. Because men, they are liars, general liars. You know what I mean? You are generally a liar. We are liars generally, but I won't lie. You know, if I want to marry a second wife, I will tell my wife I'll marry a second wife. I will not go and be choking outside. No, I won't do that. I'm too big for that. You know, every man should be responsible, you know. If you know you cannot take responsibility of child outside, wear condom. Because abortion is not nice for some women, you know. How can pregnant a woman may go abort? Now every woman knows abortion be. Only woman. Women we don't know. It's not easy for a woman to go and abort a child. We all look at that, go abort them, go abort them, go abort them. But we don't know the pain those men feel. It's easy to go somebody whether womb to go cut down. It's hard, you know. We must respect women too. If you know you don't want a child, tie your penis to one place. If you want to go outside your wife, use condom. Tie them around. So a child will not be involved. When child not involved, you grow up to you need to look after that child. You know what I'm saying? So all those noise, try to go and do DNA. Go and do DNA. I supported my wife 100%. Then I'm willing. You know? I just want to if I went about with her, every responsible mom has the right to say, I'm going to fight for my daughter, I know your dad. It's only a foolish woman. If I'm not I'll disrespect her. I'm not taking her again. You know, the woman I married now, one kind of woman. She's not even talking about how to find the father of this child. Me, myself, will disrespect her. From what she's doing right. Everybody has right to say, this is your dad. She has went to your family's or your family house, nobody. Nobody. You know? No time to blow DNA they run. I go civilize them. Go for DNA test. You know? Go for DNA test. I insult on rubber. No insult. Everybody be mature enough. Now we are mature. Now mature. I never am mature. They have a no God. That doesn't make you a man. Wait till your head. That make you a man. Not to get money, blah 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 blah. Some money missold there. A lot of money missold men. Full everywhere. A lot of money missold men there everywhere. But wait till your head as a man. When matters arise. Stop talking like a child. Grow up and be a real man. Forget what you passed. Not you are in the future. You go and do the needful. Go for DNA test. If you don't have money, I'll pay for it. That girl deserves to know the dad. You know? Una the DNA test. And I'm all your way. Leave it to me. I'm standing by my wife's side with that child. I love children. Women already. She's my daughter already. But okay, my pay school fees, pay feeding, clothing, sick, my pay go. Give her a good home to live. You know, as far as that child, you know, as small as that girl, she has her own home. And she's well looked after. One of the best love is you, more pay you. That man does not need your money, please. And also, don't run my wife down. She's not my wife presently. Don't run her down, please. Be quiet at times. When you are talking, be quiet. Decent when they are quiet at times by their heads. You know, that makes you mature. It doesn't make you to hooray. A man, you can get man. We don't talk about wrong about our eyes. You know, man, you can get. You know, we respect women, but man, get with those days, man, I can get. I think most of my girlfriends will watch me now. They say, it don't be changed. This guy, I was too hot. People will know me go to online now. When the guy say, "Hey, go pay me, I need to pay me." I'm saying, "He are it. Who can I it?" You know. Oh, but not really gay. More for both. Man, we not really gay. Not talking about woman. He has bad. No chance. Go make him mature. And second, women, we are deceiver. Deceiver, man. We can deceive women. Unless we don't get the daughter. I don't know what they talk. We are deceiver, women. We can deceive you. You know what I mean? So let peace reign, you know what I'm saying? And I agree, you know. I love my wife so much. So forget this. I know my wife story came married, and if story go past, became married. Or my mom, you know, or my mom, updated with for years. You know. In my way, in my say no. So what? What does that mean? That doesn't mean anything. I don't get so on. Go be no away. No, this doesn't mean anything. It's not a bad story. Yeah, it's not a bad story. Even though she has a bad story, I'll still stand by her. Bashawo, only I can divorce my wife. If my wife went to cheat, only that's why I can divorce her. But I will not tolerate an adulterous wife. A man like me, I will not tolerate an adulterous wife. I'm going to stand by my wife 100%. I went to a mother saying, "Oh, I'm going to only one man divorce my wife is only again." That's only why I will divorce her. You know what I mean? But I've still come out. You know what I mean? I didn't kill anybody. I pay no man. You know what I mean? Everybody has a story, so it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? So, if you don't have money for DNA, call on me. Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. Call on me, I respect you. You know, doesn't matter. Somewhere doing, hey, hello, oh yeah. Doesn't matter. My they're not at war. You know. I might disrespect you. I might disrespect you. You know what I mean? We marry her with there. You know, I didn't even know you. You came marry her. I didn't even know my wife was an actress. a marriage actress, you know. I didn't even know you. I always saw a beautiful woman, an actress before I begin to know her story. You know what I'm saying? Actress, you know, I begin to watch her. You know, actress were here. That's why I know my wife. I didn't even know that she was an actress. You know, I always saw a beautiful woman. I went low. That's why I met her in Nigeria. We came in Nigeria, you know, before I came back to UK. You know, that's the truth. I didn't even know you. I didn't even know you. I didn't even know you, you know. But it doesn't matter whether poor or rich. But every child deserves to know their dad. Even though you're a poor man, you're a rich man. That's what we are saying. I'm not telling you, it's not about who yet to whoever attack who. Well, wait till you who. Who knows what that child will be tomorrow? Not the house where I built now, where for 10, in the next 10 years, I change it. Yeah, that house where I built for about 10 years ago, if you reach it now, new one don't come out again. In the next 30 years, that house is rubbish. Let's pray for our children to be better than us. Then we get to what if you who? We are talking of this child life. I'm never no mama so one. One may go, and the husband will be ready. One may go now. In the next 50 years, it's gone. It's like a mother's. No. Let's pray for our children to excel. Why they are telling what do you let's face the Galveston say. It's not about money. Oh, I want Galveston say. You know what I mean? But Galveston say. Maybe I just say bring him out, you know. Go and take responsibility of this child. Who now your DNA, and now well, okay, as a man, you don't pay me. I respect you, you know. All of your way, you know what I mean. Put the responsibility on me, you know. I'll pay a school fees to university level. But what my wife is trying to do, every child deserves to know their dad. It's only a foolish woman or irresponsible woman. Or man of yeah. No, right. This one doesn't need anything from you. She has moved on. But that child, that one, is supposed to know his dad. This is your dad. It's a great joy for every child. And DJ no matter be na mama no right. That one should be a stupid woman. You know what I mean? You see me with my kids. I love them. You know? I went to go make them away. Even went back way. Because it's my responsibility. It's not going to Every time I don't like abortion myself. I mean, I don't like abortion myself. It's not easy. I can't every time. For what? You know? Because women are so deceitful. We are deceitful. We are liars. We are liars. I tell you, women, we are liars. People are trying to blame my wife. You not say girl wife, not say girl husband, not say girl. Those that doesn't make sense. Real mature man will say this one doesn't make sense. What are they saying? You know how many women men don't deceive, destroy their life? You know how many women men don't deceive, destroy their life? You know what I mean? That's the life you are living. Please go for DNA test. Go for DNA test. I love what my wife did. If my wife did stood up for her daughter, I will call my wife an irresponsible woman. Trust me. She's doing what's right. We don't want your money. You stand as a dad. Yes, you are a dad. Say hello to your dad. That's what we want. I will pay her school fees to university level. My boy. She's not rent. One of the best rent. More pay school fees or more feed. One of the best for you. One of the best school. She a better me. If I you don't send you by every month. Now I got 1 money a year. I know how much I spend. You know? Let me tell you, you try and be father. All those stories don't pass. All those style of good. Let's do the needful now, you know what I mean? Let's do the needful. As the man sit down and think, oh okay, you're not soon in the rain now. You're sorry tell now, okay. Call on this one, go and do DNA. Man, we are fine. Man, we are it's just as a father, I'm going to TA. I am on no, you know, what I'm saying this thing, I'm telling you now. I am on no. Every child, they are important. The child, you see, one man can be the best. So, no, we doesn't know the style of children. So we need to respect every child. So when you get away, take your responsibility as a man. Because nobody knows tomorrow. You know what I mean? Nobody knows tomorrow. The more you involved in it, as a man, you need to be responsible. So, okay. That's a mistake, you're not good, right? Okay. Why would you now? I'll go for DNA. Okay, well, no. Fine. But I'm married. She's not happily married. You know what I mean? So, you're not stand up as a responsible man, you know. Go for DNA test. Call on me, you know. You know what I'm saying? Call on me, I'll be there. She's my daughter. Likewise, you are the biological dad. Likewise, me, I'm the other dad. You know. But we want that child to know you are rather than him. You know. That's just the truth. That's the fact. My wife is doing what's right. But as a story I know, go digger. What do you mean go digger? What do you mean go digger? I don't understand. What do you mean go digger? Woman and man, they're there for 3 years. They go in dad's house. Everybody knows you say they come in dad's house, come begging dad. Oh, this or that, one Marian, this one. You even buy car for them. They come in your house. You know? That's all this for. All this talk. It's enough. Go and do DNA. Hello guys, have a nice Easter. Thank you for listening. Share the video, make go meet at Aproko too. We don't fight, we don't quarrel, you know. Let's do the needful for this child. So if this child grow up, she will get a happy life. So I want this girl to know her dad. It's a great thing. It will be a great joy to me. You know, I mean to pay her school fees. I'm ready to pay her school fees to university level. You know what I mean? So it doesn't matter. But this child should know his dad. Okay, no, right? That's what we are fighting for. My wife will not do anything wrong. Every good mom or every good person can sit down and reason. Tell this man to go for DNA test to clear the hair because this fight is going to continue. And every mom is going to fight for a child. You know what I mean? So I got let peace reign. You go and do DNA. If you don't have the money, you call on me. You know what I mean? So I love my wife dearly, you know. Nothing. Only if my wife commits adultery. That will make me divorce my wife. If she commits adultery, that's only what I can divorce my wife. Even if I catch her for witch, as far as she don't bring me down, I'm going to stand by her. You know what I mean? Even though she steal from market, I'm going to stand by her. Still going to defend her. Only what I divorce my wife for is adultery. When I hear adultery, my wife was she sleep with another man. That's that I divorce her straight away. Come and say my wife steal from market. My people say okay, how much I'll pay for you lawa. From market mama, as far as she didn't kill anybody, she told the mother. Then you listen to her, no queer. We are no come go. So everybody should sit down and think properly. The mistake in River, as far as mistake in River, well, I will DNA. You know what I mean? That's just the fact. Everybody have a story. Everyone have a story. Me, I have a story. You know what I mean? A story, no matter what happens, no, I've blocked my wife already. Those guys from me don't know. I've blocked my wife already. And I tell my wife, say, oh, let me go make divorce you. Now when you go and don't trust woman. Once I hear some man speak with you, the way I put money for your head, I hear them. That day you are going to leave my home. I beg with me, man. They want to keep those for me. So I must love you. Even though you be witch, as far as you don't disturb me. Make everybody call you witch. As far as you don't disturb me, you are still my wife. Only what made me to divorce my wife is when you commit adultery. That's why I'm going to divorce my wife. Call her anything, call her Ashewo, call her anything, not concern me. Now your business is that one, now you get your ear. You know what I mean? Call her anything. She's doing well, she's doing great. As far as she respect me, give me a respect as a husband. They honor me as his husband. I always love her. You know what I'm saying? She not keep person, and she born for person. So why is all this on social media? It don't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. As she come on social media, they talk I say, man, you will calm down. You go say, I need to find this woman number. May I take call on. This part I don't they go white too much. I don't need to go talk social media, talk like woman. May I just do that? It makes you to be childish. Because everybody write down a man. It's not making you rain, it's bringing you down. Write down. You want to give opinion. This one give you. Doesn't make sense. The best opinion, find secret number. Call this woman. I'm ready to go for DNA now. But I wait here in the morning. Oh, you're waiting, no clear way. Don't be over. It's good. Anyway, if you don't want to, that story don't pass. Try to bring your woman away from for you down. It doesn't make sense. Me, I don't bring my head down. Never. I will never bring my head down. No matter what. No matter how the fight, no matter what task. If you still ask me by my head, woman will come for me, I still she's one of great woman. Only my mighty stake away. You know what I'm saying? That's not the truth. So we don't need to be arguing. Not my wife started born for person before. You know what I mean? Then you pass on the no, it's not a long story. I'm I only divorced my wife when she committed adultery. I know the chop goat. That's a real man. When she committed adultery, leave my home. As far as my wife not committed adultery, see any name, I'll stand by her. You know what I mean? I love my wife dearly. You know what I mean? I'm going to stand for her as far as she didn't commit adultery. It's only when she committed adultery she's leaving my home. I'm ready to spend any money on her. As far as even go your home, or when you go your own. You know what I mean? So I don't know when I talk on social media, but when my husband even come out, I'm a quiet person. I go to my work, I go to Easter, I need the day house, they enjoy myself. Tuesday I don't go back to work. You know what I mean? I'm not a person lazy when on the field work. I'm a hard-working man. You know, I like to work to support the ones who near me, my children, my wife. You know, that's just the fact. Then I agree, you know, it's sort. You know, I just try to, you know, imagine, you know, where we go, make everybody calm down. Doesn't matter. Life goes on. Even person, keep person, or you have one now. I'm a beautiful baby like that, you know. And then I have you, you know. The master that have you, let's make sense. Let's see that make sense. If not good at then, you know. If not good at then, it's time to dialogue. Not very time, no. Not very, so you need to sit down, think. Who will think? Oh, I did not wrong road. Let me do this as a man, no lie to you. That's what the argument. I talk with social media. As a man, as I come and force himself. Because don't pass everywhere. To make sure say, this child are your own. It's not bad for a woman to say this child are your own. Even though the man get white before, don't get white before. It's not a new thing. After the mistake, don't get there, but there's child involved. Try to face yourself. So after I come for life yesterday, you know to go life is going to talk like child. That's when I go brother. That's when I go Lagos. Those doesn't make sense. How you need to do call that one for back. Okay, I need DNA. Enough is enough. I don't want to go to social media again. Respect women. You need to respect women. If the person where I take before, come on social media, come and tell me, oh, are you get this channel? I won't even come to social media. The next time I'll call her, please. Let's go for this child DNA. You know, enough is enough. I don't want to make noise again. I want to be a responsible man. You are destroying my name. It's not making me rain. Woman, they come off social media, they shall come carry people. It's not making you rain. That's a bad name to any man. It's not making you rain. It's the rain. After it's born for you, nothing look after you know, nothing look at after it's born for me. It doesn't make any name. You are not making name, you are bringing yourself down. The that way nothing look after a child. No, that man look after a child. Are you a responsible man? Whether you make about time or about time, the mistake don't get it. Be a responsible man, you know. Since you make about that child, fight everywhere, not gonna happen. 4 years away now, you're supposed to think, reason. Say it's time for me to stand up. All this trouble, I need to leave her. Who said that pequenos and you get her? You don't even DNA. You don't even DNA. Because looking at that child, me myself, I don't know. So now you get that pequenos. You know? Not try to bring her down, not try to spoil the name. Your church, your man, when they spell man, it doesn't make sense. I just look at that man childish. It's not making you rain. The real men don't destroy women name. Real men don't destroy women name. Real men, they still protect women. One time to fight, when I fight, they still keep her secret, keep her public, keep her private, sorry. Not to go and talk about it, do not. That's why you do this one. That's why you go back. That's why you go Lagos. That's why you go this one. That's why you go Abuja. When you know there's DNA. Please go for DNA, you know. Thank you for listening, you know. That's it.